Hi, Alex here from Rebeloper.com. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to this quick fixing tutorial where you will learn how to fix the missing Info.plist file error. So, if you want to fix this error, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and open up Xcode. So, let us just dive in. So, let's just fix this error of the missing plist file. So what I'm going to do here is just create a brand new Xcode project, create a new Xcode here and a single view application. Let's click on next here and I will name this, let me just resize this so you can see it better. I will name this missing plist. And it is an info.plist, so info.plist. And maybe add this here, fix. Okay, so I will use SWIFTUI, but this also makes sense in a storyboard environment. So let's click on next here and let's just drag and drop it onto the desktop. It doesn't really matter. I will create a GitHub repository so you can check out. Go ahead and click the link down below in the resources to find out where you can download all of the resources for my tutorials. So let's just resize this so you can see a little bit better here what I'm doing. There we go. So what is basically, let me just remove this canvas. I really don't like this here. So here we have our info.plist file and it's all nice and dandy, but what if you delete it or maybe just add it to another group? So let's create a group here and I'm going to call this main. I like to have all of my main files on the main group, and I usually drag and drop the info.plist file, the app delegate and the scene delegate. But for this tutorial, let's just move only the info.plist file. And as you can see, now we have some errors. This version, the build is missing, the main interface, something's not really working here. And if we would just build and run, we would have an error, and it is, well, it's not that explicative. A build input file cannot be found. Basically, it's saying that this missing info.plist fix / info.plist is missing. It just can't be fixed. Now, in earlier version of Xcode, you would just select your project and then your target and go to General. And here you would have a button like Fix or Find the missing info.plist file. I have a separate video on that too. But now it's missing. Something's wrong here. Now, this might be a bug in Xcode 11, but all you have to do is just close off Xcode and just restart it. So I'm just going to quit altogether here and then restart my project. Let's go to our desktop and open up missing info.plist file fix and just double click on the project there. Now, if you go to the same place, you will see that the choose info.plist file has appeared. How awesome is that? So let's choose that, and as you can see, it's in the main group. Let's choose it. And now everything should be a-okay. To have our bundle ID and so on appear, let's just step away from the general and tap back in. There we go. Everything is missing. By the way, in signing capabilities, you just need to select our theme. There we go. And the signing certificate and provisioning profile will be created for us. Okay, back to the general. Everything is okay, we do know our info.plist file is here. So let's finally build and run. And as you can see, build has succeeded and we have our hello world. It should be generating. There we go, hello world. And there you have it, fixing the missing info.plist file issue. Now you know how to fix your missing info.plist file error. Now I want you to hit that notification bell because in my next video I will go live and teach you all about Firebase's remote config. So make sure to hit that notification bell to get notified when that video will go live. In the meantime, make sure to check out these two videos that I have over here. I talk a lot about SWIFTUI and iOS development. And as usual, I will see you in the next one.